Protect your kidneys. Avoid these harmful foods now. Discover the unseen threats hidden in your pantry that could jeopardize your kidney health. These everyday foods might seem harmless, but they can significantly impact your well-being without you even knowing. Kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste and balancing fluids in your body. A healthy diet supports their function, while poor food choices can lead to chronic kidney issues. One major culprit is processed meats, notorious for their sky-high sodium levels. Consuming them regularly can strain your kidneys, leading to long-term damage and potentially severe health consequences. High sodium intake is linked to increased blood pressure and kidney disease. Studies show that reducing sodium can improve kidney function, highlighting the importance of mindful eating for overall health. Canned soups, often laden with preservatives, can be deceptively harmful. These additives can exacerbate kidney strain, making it essential to scrutinize labels and opt for fresher, healthier options. Canned soups are often loaded with preservatives and sodium, which can strain your kidneys. These additives not only extend shelf life but also negatively impact your body's delicate balance, leading to potential harm. Instead of canned soups, consider creating your own homemade versions. Using fresh vegetables, herbs, and low-sodium broth allows you to control the ingredients, offering a healthier and tastier alternative for protecting your kidneys. Consuming excessive dairy can pose risks to kidney health. High levels of calcium and phosphorus in dairy products may lead to kidney stones and exacerbate existing kidney conditions, requiring careful moderation. Lactose, the sugar found in dairy, can stress kidneys, especially in lactose-intolerant individuals. This additional burden can impede kidney function, making it crucial to manage dairy intake wisely for optimal health. Soft drinks hide surprising amounts of sugar, contributing to kidney stress. The excessive sugar intake can lead to obesity and diabetes, both of which are significant risk factors for kidney disease. Switching to water or natural juices can drastically reduce your sugar intake, supporting kidney health. These alternatives hydrate the body effectively without adding unnecessary stress on your kidneys from excess sugars. Excessive red meat consumption burdens the kidneys with high levels of protein and fats. Choosing plant-based protein options, like beans and lentils, can significantly reduce this strain while offering nutritional benefits. Processed meats, canned soups, dairy, sugary drinks, and red meat can all negatively impact kidney health. Reducing these foods can help maintain optimal kidney function and promote overall well-being. A quick visual reminder of foods to avoid includes processed meats, canned soups, excessive dairy, sugary drinks, and red meat. Keeping this list handy can guide healthier dietary choices. Evaluate your diet today and choose kidney-friendly foods. Small changes can lead to significant improvements in kidney health and overall wellness. Empower yourself to make informed, healthier dietary decisions. Take a moment to reassess your daily meal choices. By making small, mindful changes, you can significantly improve your kidney health. Your well-being is worth the effort, so start today. According to Dr. Sarah Mitchell, a leading nutritionist, a balanced diet is crucial for maintaining optimal kidney function. Simple dietary adjustments can prevent potential health issues and enhance overall vitality. We want to hear from you. What is your biggest challenge when it comes to maintaining a healthy diet? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. Explore our recommended videos for more information on kidney-friendly diets and personalized meal plans. These resources are designed to support you on your journey to better health. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful health tips and updates. Stay informed and take charge of your health journey with us.